Most budgets fail because they're too complicated. This one has just 3 numbers, 50, 30, 20. The simplest way to split any paycheck, for life. People quit budgeting because they track 30 categories and drown in the detail. But you don't need 30 categories. You need 3 buckets, and a simple rule for each. That's the whole system. The first 50% covers your needs, what you must pay to live. Housing, food, transport, utilities. The next 30% is for your wants. Eating out, entertainment, travel, the little luxuries. The final 20% is the one that changes your future. Paying off debt and saving or investing. Most people spend this bucket first and save whatever's left, which is usually nothing. This rule flips that. One paycheck, perfectly allocated. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% future. Here's what makes this rule quietly powerful. The first 2 buckets is gone every month, spent on living and enjoying life, which is fine. But the money in that 3rd bucket is the only part that stays, grows, and works for you. Protecting that 20% is the whole difference between organizing spending and building your wealth. The percentages can flex to your life. That principle can't. Step 1. Find your monthly take-home pay, what actually lands after tax. Step 2. Split it, 50, 30, 20% for your future, and adjust the numbers to fit your real life. Step 3. Automate that 20% to move the day you get paid, before you can spend it. If 3 buckets just made budgeting feel possible. Subscribe. Every week I break down one money habit that's quietly making people rich.